How to get 20% off Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Shein coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. Once you're in this website, here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Shein. So you can see that 20% off, 35% off, $30 off, and many more. As you are looking for a 20% off coupon code, it is over here. Just click on it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website of Shein, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and pass it to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get 20% discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get 20% off Shein coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.